like to say how Veronica's books changed my life in so many ways. First, when I first found her books, I found hope. I was so full of fear, and it's the only place I've ever found that my fears were finally alleviated and were lifted away from me. And it gave me a new way to think about life that I had never thought possible. It took away my focus on myself and doctors and other people, and it brought me back to the inside of myself and to the power of God in our lives, which we completely forget all the time. I'd say for me the book that was the most important was You're Not Too Old to Conceive, because it's what you hear all the time everywhere, that time is running out, the biological clock is ticking, and it's not like that. Veronica made me feel like everybody has a purpose in life, and that when these desires come into us, they don't come according to a certain plan and a certain time. Sometimes we have to come to this desire and understand that it's a gift, and we just need to connect with God to realize our purpose. So Veronica's books have really changed my life and taken away a lot of the burden. And now I carry, it's not me that carries the burden. I have somebody else that carries it for me. And she has helped me all the way.